breath. It's probably for the best, let's be honest.
Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope this video finds you well. What went wrong? Well, first of all, let's discover what is going wrong, and then we'll see if we can alleviate what is going wrong. Are you following me? Good. So what you're listening for is kind of like a metallic sound, a bit of a clanking going on, or a heavy tapping. And now the weather machine decides to start up. This will not deter us from fixing it, however. Stand by. Time to rig up some tarps. How am I going to get into this thing? Didn't think about that now, did I? There we go. Something like that. Let's set you guys right here. Can everybody see? No, we need some lightage. Yes, we have portable lights. Where the heck am I going to rig it up to? Oof. Really? It hasn't been that long, has it? Alright, maybe it has. Come on. Off you get. Okay. Alright, we'll see if we can talk above the rain. So, what's going on? Well, even though this valve train looks clean, it's actually the original. This is the original rocker arm assembly that has about 300,000 miles on it by my guesstimation. So believe it or not, this thing is actually worn out. So, Trans Am, one of my featured channels, has sent me over a brand new rocker arm assembly from LCE Performance. So why am I working on his content instead of my own? I don't know, but I guess content's content even though it's coming from me. So, let's go ahead and pull the rocker arm assembly off and install the new one. Whilst listening to the mellow tones of the rain falling. Yes. Alright. Oh, good grief. No, I know what you're thinking. Oh, you're undoing the cylinder head bolts. Oh no! Shh. It'll be just fine. As long as you don't tell anybody. Mum's the word. In all honesty, we only have a couple hours runtime on this thing, so as long as I do this gently and don't disturb the head at all, I don't think we're going to have a problem with the head gasket. We'll just try to do this as promptly as we can. Old worn out assembly, gone. New shinies in. Just keep everybody satisfied. We'll lube up our cam pads here. Or rocker arm pads, I guess. Well, why didn't you do this when it was sitting on the ground? Well, there's grass and dirt on the ground, and I really don't care to have this thing rolling around in the grass and the dirt. I'd rather just install it than squeeze the grease in here after the fact. I'm complicated. You guys should know that by now. I don't do things the easy way. That just make too much sense. Can't have too much of that in this day and age, now can we? No. Alright. All major points have been greased. And if you guys are wondering what's going on, now it's a lot of rain. I'm going to show you my cool recording setup. So we got the light up there. Got the camera over there. It's actually technically recording there. And here's all my... This is my workbench. Oh, I just won't flip and stop raining. Unbelievable. Lovely. But you can't forget about our studs, now can we? I'll go ahead and do the valve lashes now. Yes, I know the engine's cold. We'll adjust them when it's nice and hot. Alright, intakes are 2 mils, exhaust are 3 mils. Perfect. Alright, where are we at? We're doing that one for sure. Yeah, I don't think that these are set from the factory, let's be honest. Just a bit of lash there, just a bit. A skosh, a tiny amount. And they expect you to do it yourselves. I mean, goodness. I mean, let's be real here. Right. That's not gonna work. Good. Initially. Just a slight drag on it. Cool. Pull my back out. Right, let's get that go. Oh yeah. That tolerance will not be tolerated. Adjusting. All right. Time to fire up the engine, get her up to the operating temperature, and we'll check the valve lash again. So much fun to be had by one. Right. Okay. The one thing about working underneath the tarp when the engine's running, it's nice and warm in here now. So pray I don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. Alright, the engine's nice and hot, the radiator's nice and hot, so let's go ahead and adjust our valves again, or at least, at the very least, check them. I hope that rain's not dipping into my valve train. Hey, can you just... Okay, it's not. This is what I meant about the rain better not be getting into the valve train. Close but not going in. Living on the edge. Off in the la-la land. Alright, where did the feeler gauge go? Oh! So I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. I have to run RTV silicone through here because I did have a little bit of a leak coming off to here. Gotta wait 24 hours and then we're gonna go for a drive. So while I'm buttoning things up, let's take a look at what this engine sounded like before and after I put the new rocker arm assembly on. Definitely sounds a lot quieter now. I can hear that carburetor going a lot more. Of course, I don't have the windshield wipers on, right? They don't work, and it's next day and it's still raining. So, I was extremely lazy and put Rain-X wax all over the windshield, so if we get a spot of rain, in theory we can still see out of the window. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. transmission looked into at some point. I have to start figuring out ordering parts for it. This truck might be a slow restoration project. Awesome. Before I go, I have a featured channel called Sorted George. Shameless link here and down below. He is an Englishman, but he loves working on American cars. He was basically born on the wrong side of the pond. He mainly works on Mopars from the mid-60s to the mid-70s. We've been talking these past several weeks. We decided we meshed together very well, and we decided to feature each other's channels. His goal is not to do it full-time. Rather, he just like to pass on his knowledge for other people and just share his fun experiences with getting cars going again from the other side of the pond. So go check him out, and maybe someday we'll have some collaborations together. But I don't know if the internet will hold up, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We'll see you all later. Apparently, I'm going to rig it up right here. You guys see that? Go get a turkey tie. That works. I hope. Let's see here. It's going to start raining again. It doesn't matter this time. Outsmarted you, weather. Well, almost getting too hot in here. There. Need some breath. Need some fresh air. Right. Yeah, that's nice. Well, you want to stay down on the ground? Stay down on the ground. Now I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. I have to run some RTV sealant silicone. It's probably for the best, to be honest. I'm feeling groovy, baby. 6, 8, 12, 14. It's all the same, let's be honest. Alright. This is way too taut. Nobody home. Well, we all knew that. Wait, what?